Hello, we are Team Neptune, and this is our prototype for the CV screening project. So we firstly go with the candidate login, means employee login. So for that, employee needs to log in with Google, as it is a professional application. So he must need so that's why we are only allow through the Gmail process login with Google. So firstly login with Google, then account is created automatically. Then candidate needs to upload his resume, so he needs to choose upload resume. So he can upload a resume in two different types of format. First is the PDF also, and second one docs also. You can choose any one. Just click submit. So resume screen successfully. That means all the necessary processing is done on the resume data. So then candidate can also apply to the jobs also, but right now there is no job posted, so there is nothing. So for posting the job, can it is in the hand of admin, so we go with the admin login. So click here, then post the job, then add the job, uh, add the company name. Suppose this company is Microsoft and it's a software developer, and salary ranges from this to this, and last date for the application. Suppose I select here the 30 September 2021, and job description uploading. Select the job description and submit it. So company pro job posted successfully, and admin can able to see the all applied candidates here. So now no one is applied, so here nothing is showing. So for that, we apply to the job. Click here, new job. Click here, new jobs. So jobs are displayed here. You can able to see the all details of the job from here. View details. Is able to see the all the job description required. Then, and if he wants, then he can apply also. So click just click apply. So he's applied to the job. So now if we click here, we apply. This student's job resume is matching 46 percentage with our job. That's how we can rank the resumes according to their job description and resumes. So if we another student if we go with the another login, suppose with this email, actually both names are same, but we can choose another different resume also. So now we go with the docs format also. So click here and submit it. It is also screened successfully. Click here, new jobs, and click on the apply. It is also applied to the job. So now if we see we apply candidates, then we can see that the another resume matches 50% with the job description, so it ranks at the top. Then admin can is also able to search the students according to their job profile. Suppose I want the Java developer, and click enter here Java developer and click on the search. Then all the matching all the top matching candidates view here, and then admin can able to see their details also from here, that what is his name, skills they have, what education they have completed. That's all. Thank you.